Hey guys, my name is Lanika, and today I'm going to be teaching you a rubber band. So this trick can kind of be intimidating because we're jumping onto our backs and coming back up. But it's not as hard as it seems. We have a bunch of exercises that we're going to give you that will make it a little bit easier for you guys to learn. So first of all, what you're going to practice is, so you're here for the preparation, you do plie, and instead of having your feet jump off, you're just going to arch your back onto your hands and land on your neck. Yeah? So you want to be tucking your chin as much as you can so that the back of your head doesn't actually hit the floor. You really want to land right here on the upper part of your back. So you can do that 1,000,000 times to get it into your body. Down and back onto the back of your neck. Then once you feel comfortable doing that, you can maybe grab a cheese mat so that you can practice jumping onto your back or be on a soft ground. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump onto the upper part of your back, catching yourself with your hands, and then piking your feet over, and then just rolling to stand up. So that would be boom, and then you can just roll to stand up. And practice that a bunch of times until you get comfortable jumping onto your back. And then, as soon as you get that comfortable, you push off just like you would do a kip up. So you're really gonna use your legs to have momentum to pull yourself back up, pushing off with your hips as well and your hands, so that you can really get the momentum you need to stand up. And the first few times you try it, you can also come up to bent legs, lower, and then once you get that, you can come up to standing legs. So the bent legs would look like this. And then you can do the full one, which you saw previously on this video. Good luck, you guys, you got it.